Hello everyone, welcome back to Technosavvys. In today's video, I'll be showing you step by step how to make your own website, whether you are starting a blog, an online store, or a personal portfolio. This tutorial will guide you through the process, so let's get started. Step 1. The first step is building a website is planning. Before diving into the technical aspects, take some time to define your website's purpose, target audience, and desired features. This will help you make informed decisions throughout the process. Step 2. Domain and hosting. Once you have a clear plan, it's time to choose a domain name and hosting provider. A domain name is your website's address and hosting is where your website files are stored. Step 3. Website building platforms. Now that we have our own domain and hosting setup, let's select a website building platform. It's beginners friendly and offer customizable templates and require no coding knowledge. Step 4. Design and customization. With the website builder and template in place, it's time to customize the design. We'll change color, font, and add our own logo and images. Let's give our website a personal touch and make it visually appealing. Step 5. Content creation. Now comes the fun part. Adding content to our website. We'll create pages, write engaging copy, and optimize it for search engines. Let's start building our own website structure and populate it with relevant content. Step 6. Functionality and features. A great website is not just about looks. It also needs to be functionally and user-friendly. We'll explore different features and add essential elements such as contact forms, social media integration, and navigation menus. Step 7. Testing and launch. We are almost there, but before we launch our website, it's crucial to truly test it across different devices and browsers. We want to ensure it looks and functions flawlessly. Let's run some tests and make any necessary adjustments. Step 8. Website launch. Congratulations, our website is ready to go live. In this final step, we'll connect our domain name to our hosting, do a final check, and launch our website for the world to see. Join us for more, and thank you for watching.